guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome. And if you end up liking this video, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. So today I'm going to share with you guys how I make my West Virginia style pepperoni rolls. So you really just only need 3 simple ingredients. So to get started with, you're just going to need a pan. We're going to use some Baker's Joy, just regular original pepperoni roll style pepperoni. And I like to use string cheese in my pepperoni rolls, but you can use whatever type of cheese you like. You can use pepper jack, provolone, any type of cheese that you prefer. And also, I like to use the Big and Buttery Grams croissants from Pillsbury. And I use 2 of those, and all you're gonna need is just a chopper. Alright, so I just want to mention that in the directions of the Crescent rolls, you're actually going to need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And the directions do call to put the Crescent rolls in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. But you actually want to put them in a little bit longer because we are actually putting the pepperoni and the mozzarella cheese in as well. Okay, so first I'm just going to open up my original pepperoni and I'm going to put them in my chopper. To make my pepperoni rolls, I like to actually chop up the pepperoni really fine. So after all the pepperoni's all chopped up, I'm just gonna transfer it all into a glass container here, but you can see the texture of the pepperoni. You want it to be really chopped up like this. Alright, next I'm just gonna spray the pan with some Baker's Joy, so when we put the Crescent rolls down, that they're not gonna stick to the pan. Next, I'm going to open up my Crescent rolls. So after you open them up, you're just going to unravel it like this. And you can start laying it down on the pan here like this. And kind of combining it all into one little flat piece here. Okay, next you just want to sprinkle some of that ground pepperoni all through the middle here. Next I like to open up my mozzarella string cheese, and you can kind of just break it in half and just stick it down in here. And then next you just want to roll all of this cheese in the pepperoni. And after you've rolled it, just go ahead and kind of get all the edges folded up here so it really encloses the whole entire Crescent roll. And get the edges and the ends here and kind of just fold those in. And get any last minute pieces that might have holes or something in the dough. So this is going to be our first pepperoni roll right here. So I'm just going to lay that over there and start with the next one. Alright, next I'm just going to start with the second one, and I'm going to make 8 per pan. So you can go ahead and preheat the oven at this time, so by the time that you actually get all 8 done, your oven will already be ready. So I'm going to go ahead and start that now. And remember, I had mentioned that we're going to do it at 350. Okay, so I'm finishing up my 8th one here, and as you can see, I've placed them all, I would say maybe like 1.5 inches between each other, so when they do expand in the oven, they have enough room to rise. And also, I wanted to mention that these are the actual large version of the Crescent rolls. So whenever you go to the grocery store and you're buying them, you want to make sure that you don't get just the regular ones. These are the larger versions, so you have more room to work with, and it's more dough, so you can create a better pepperoni roll. So my oven is already preheated to 350 degrees, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these in. And you can just put them on the top of the middle rack right there. And then I'm gonna set the timer for 17 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back and check on those in 17 minutes and see if they're good to go. So we are about 10 minutes in to the oven, and I just wanna show you what they all look like so far. See that they're starting to raise and they're a little golden there. It's been the full 17 minutes and I'm looking at them now and they look like they need a little bit more time. So I'm gonna put another 5 minutes in on these. Okay guys, it's been an extra 5 minutes, and so in total these pepperoni rolls have been in the oven for about 22 minutes. So I think they're ready to come out. Let's check it out. Oh my gosh, look how good this looks. They're golden brown. They look so delicious. So you do want to let them cool for about 20 to 25 minutes before you serve them. And these are great for any party, any event, for your coworkers, for bake sales, anything you'd like to do with these. They're so delicious. I can't wait to try them. So it's been 20 minutes and I cannot wait to try this. So let's get started. So we're just gonna open one of these up and see all that cheese, all that pepperoni. Wow, that looks so good. Let's see what it tastes like. Wow. You guys are gonna love this. I cannot wait for you to try it. Well guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video on West Virginia style pepperoni rolls, and if you did, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what you thought, and please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, please don't hesitate to let me know, and I'll see you back here again. Take care. My hands are too slick. Try again. Alright, so let's try it. Oh my gosh. Guys, you're gonna love this. I can't wait for you to try it. Well guys, I hope you really enjoyed this recipe on West Virginia style pepperoni rolls. And if you did like the video, please don't hesitate to give me a thumb up. Dang, I did it again.